school. Okay, you're good.
Hello class, today we're going to learn about chromosomes and linked genes, autosomal linked genes / traits on chromosomes. So let's get into it. So right here we have a singular chromosome. This is going to be made up of a line of DNA. And this will be a homologous chromosome. So these two go together. And so when these form into an X, that is a chromatid. See? And so now we're going to do that same thing with these two chromosomes. They're going to go like this, and that's another chromatid. And so these two are going to be sister chromatids in that they're close together. And so we're just going to demonstrate some gene placage on the chromosomes. So let's say there's one gene way up here, and then one gene on the same chromosome way down here. And let's do that again with these. So these are genes. You see how far apart these are. So because the genes are far apart, the genes are going to separate when we do some crossing over. We learned that in an earlier lesson. And see, so now we've got two different genes across. So these two genes are not linked because they were separated. So let's do another example. So just like before, we're going to make the sister chromatids with our chromosomes. And so this time, the genes are going to be on the separate chromosomes. See? And again, because they're on separate chromosomes, these are not going to be linked. So in crossing over, we're going to separate them. See? And the genes are separated because they are not linked. Genes on separate chromosomes are never going to be linked. Remember that. It'll be on the test. And so in our final example, we're going to make the chromatids, the sister chromatids again with our chromosomes. But this time, the genes are going to be close together. See how close they are? Now, when genes are close together like this on the same chromosome, they're going to be linked. So here, this part does not have any genes on it. Well, it does, but we don't see those genes right now. They're going to cross over. And also, these linked genes are going to cross over, but they'll cross over together. They're always going to be together. They're like best friends. And so you're probably wondering, what are these genes in real life? Well, these are called polygenic traits. And some examples of polygenic traits are hair color and eye color and also skin color. And there's also polygenic disorders or diseases like heart disease. And so that's all for the class today. Thank you.